Hello, my name is Ian Williams. I'm with Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, bringing you a quick video on the 2008 Subaru Forester L.L.Bean. This is an automatic, all-wheel drive Subaru with your L.L.Bean package. The car is in great condition. On the exterior, there are just a couple minor little blemishes here. Looks like there's a little door mark right there from getting hit in the parking lot. There's a little tiny scuff right there underneath the driver's side rear passenger handle. As far as any dents, there's no dents on this side of the car. While we're over here, we can see that the car does have great traction, good tread left. It appears that we have put new rotors on the vehicle. The car does have the roof racks with the crossbars. It's the back of the vehicle. Looks pretty good back here. The back bumper, there's a couple marks on that. Right down there's a little scuff. And there's a little chip right there. On this side of the vehicle, appears to look very nice. I don't see any scratches or dents over here. Once again, I do see a little mark on the door, possibly from a parking lot damage from a vehicle, another vehicle's door. Appears to be a little bit of scraping or scuff marks right there in that panel too. There's your fog lights, and inside the vehicle, very clean and well kept engine area. The interior of the vehicle, we'll go back here to the passenger door, take a look at the upholstery. That's the cashmere leather. Floor mats. The back seat does fold down. It does have a center armrest as well, like that. There's a latch right here to fold the seat down. The car does have the rear cargo cover, defrosting rear side mirrors. It has the defrosting front as well. Inside the vehicle, on your rear view mirror, it has the home link inside it with your built-in garage door opener and your compass and temperature. A clock right here with storage above. AM, FM, 6-disc CD changer. Your climate control settings. The car does have heated seats. I mentioned it was an automatic. You have cruise control, power window, power lock, keyless entry. The miles on the vehicle, that's 69,995. An outside temperature of 84 degrees out. Like I said, the interior is in good condition. The car does not appear to have been smoked in, or there's no heavy cigarette smells. It does have the big skylight, moonroof. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video and we didn't make you dizzy. This is the conclusion of the L.L.Bean Subaru Outback Forester wagon from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Ponderay, Idaho. You can visit us at tschevy.com or feel free to give us a call at 208-263-2138. Thanks a lot, guys.